front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to reach settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now just pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from, and you can pick your internal storage, some online wallpapers, it's up to you. Let me choose the categories, and for example we can pick art. And now just choose the picture that you would like to apply as your wallpaper. Can be, for example, this one, and then just tap on apply. Finally, you need to decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them, and I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is applied on both lock and home screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.